Let's see how to open an existing file in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to open an existing file or we want to access that file. What we can do is click on the File tab. Now click on Open, which will open up this window right here. And that will also show your recent Microsoft Word documents. Or if you want, you can even browse your computer if it doesn't show up on this tab right here. So for example, we want to open up this document right here. And as you can see, we now have our document opened and ready. And that is how you can open an existing document in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.